Right now, inside your head, a 1.3 kilogram mass of soft tissue is operating in total darkness. It has no pain receptors of its own, and it exists entirely locked within a pitch-black, silent skull. Despite that isolation, this organ generates enough electricity to power a small light bulb and processes millions of pieces of information every single second. This energy draw is disproportionate to its size. While the brain accounts for only 2% of your total body weight, it consumes nearly 20% of your body's total energy. So how does this isolated, energy-hungry mass translate external stimuli into the specific memories and thoughts that define you? To understand the capabilities of this biological machine, we have to look closely at its physical architecture, descending from the macro surface down to the microscopic core. We map the brain's geography into 3 regions. The brainstem at the base connects to the spinal cord, controlling heartbeat and breathing. The rear cerebellum calculates balance. Above them, the massive cerebrum handles higher-order thinking, split into 2 hemispheres. Generally, the left hemisphere handles logic and language, while the right hemisphere focuses more on creativity and imagination. The cerebrum is further organized into 4 lobes. The frontal lobe handles personality and planning. The parietal lobe processes touch and spatial awareness. The temporal lobe manages hearing and memory, while the occipital lobe controls visual processing. While these geographic regions divide the labor of your daily experience, the actual processing power happens on a scale invisible to the human eye. When we plunge beneath these gray surface folds of the brain, we find an incredibly dense biological network of tissue. The foundation of this entire network is the neuron. There are approximately 86 billion of these specialized nerve cells operating simultaneously inside your brain. Each neuron sends and receives data. Information enters through branch-like dendrites, passes the cell body, and exits the long axon tail. Neurons communicate across tiny gaps called synapses, firing neurotransmitters to pass electrical signals from cell to cell. These electrical signals travel at speeds of up to 430 kilometers per hour. This entire process happens in mere milliseconds. This cellular speed allows you to instantly recognize a face or react to sudden danger. Beyond quick reactions, this cellular network creates complex emotional experiences. Deep structures like the amygdala process raw data into feelings of fear and emotional responses. While the amygdala handles immediate reactions, a part of the brain called the hippocampus acts as the primary router for forming long-term memories. These memories aren't stored in a single physical location. Instead, they are distributed across millions of cellular connections throughout the brain. When you learn a new skill, you are physically changing your brain. Repeated practice causes the neurons involved to form stronger connections with one another. This process is called neuroplasticity. It is the brain's ability to physically rewire its structure and adapt based on your specific life experiences. This means your brain is not a static object. It is a living structure that is constantly being sculpted by your actions and environment. This physical rewiring never stops. It continues even after you lose consciousness each night. During REM sleep, the brain is highly active, repairing cells, clearing out waste, and generating dreams to help organize the day's memories. Every thought you have, every memory you create, and every dream you imagine is a physical event happening within this biological machine. This 1.3 kilogram organ is a constantly evolving system that builds the foundation of who you are.